Oh, hello, my love.
Hello, I'm
the
blind.
hair, it looks so good.
Hair reveal.
Hair reveal. Welcome to the vlog, everybody. Murph and I are getting some brunch. He was like, I want to take you out for your birthday.
Yes.
And I had nothing else to do today, so that's what we're doing.
Brunching.
And then we got to do some Coachella prep.
Yeah, seriously, I need some shit.
We're just gonna go.
Hopefully to Melrose.
I really want to go thrifting more than anything.
Yeah, I want to go to Melrose. I want to go to Wasteland.
Yes. And obviously, you guys are coming along with us. So first off, what is this called again?
Superba.
We're at Superba in Hollywood.
It's real good.
Wait, show the hair where they can see it. Come over here.
I'm giving Targaryen, Draco Malfoy,
You
your
really-
lucky Hermione paid attention and apology.
It looks so good. You have one more session?
One more session. I'm gonna get it toned one more time. 'Cause it's a little yellow back here, and I want it to be like
No.
white.
Oh my god, it's so good.
I'm obsessed. I feel like it's really, really like kind of iconic.
No, it's
I've
just-
never been this blonde.
No. Oh my god, it's like.
It's white. Down.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry. I'm like, I want a coffee, do I want a glass of wine? I was hungover, but I'm feeling good now. It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day. It honestly is a really beautiful day. Wait, this is so cute.
I know, right?
This does remind me of Santa Barbara. Wait, this is adorable. I had no idea. I've never been here.
So we've been to the one in Venice, I feel like. It was right by my old house.
That makes sense. We just got our food and this looks so, can I have a fry?
Yes. Fries for the table always.
I love a thin fry.
Same.
I love a thin fry.
Yum.
A little pepper on it? Wow.
Yeah. This place rocks.
I got the cheesy scramble. It looks good. Also this sausage. Like I'm so, oh, this looks so good.
So good. The soft scramble messed me up with that.
We've already had such a successful day.
Yes. So much goodies.
So many goodies. I got a little present for Ashley, and then I got some belts. And honestly, I didn't try any of them on, so hopefully they look good. We're gonna do a little outfit of the day. Murph, you first.
Okay. My jeans are vintage orange tab Levi's.
Oh, nice.
I know. The shirt I got from the Goodwill, triple extra large, cropped it myself.
Hot.
Glasses, Alicia just gave me these Saint Laurent beauties. I'm obsessed.
They were his Christmas present that obviously was like 4 months ago.
We just finally got around to that. And then my shoes are Dior.
I love these.
Aren't they cute? I love the pink laces.
I love the pink. I like struggled with my fit today, but it's okay.
It's really
Maybe
cute.
comfy. Jacket is Urban Outfitters. Hat, I actually think I got it from Urban Outfitters too.
Nike, cute.
Top, Amazon.
Love.
Jeans are A brand, I think. Does it say that?
Let's see. Oh yeah. Really cute.
Cute.
But looking nice.
Air One tote from Ashley's boyfriend for my birthday.
Kicks.
And Nikes.
Love. Love,
That's it.
love. Icon, legend. Amazing.
Very successful shopping. We're gonna go home now. Thank you so much for my birthday outing.
Yes, it
I
was so
absolutely loved it.
fun.
Brunch was amazing. We both got some goodies.
We did.
And yeah, now I get to go home and try everything on because I need to figure out my life. You guys asked for it. Here's what I got for my birthday haul. It's the next day, but don't worry. I uploaded my birthday vlog this morning. All the comments, birthday haul, birthday haul, birthday haul. I feel like I showed a lot of it in the actual birthday vlog, but there definitely was I didn't even realize I didn't even show what Remy got me, like at all. I think that was on her vlog. So go watch that vlog when it comes out. Should I save I'm not trying to brag. I'm not, but you get it. That was such a time. First, I'm gonna start with Ollie. I definitely showed this in the vlog, but Ollie got me this ring from Dior, and I'm not kidding, I'm obsessed with it. I'm wearing it on my thumb, and it's just like, I love it. I seriously love it so much. Focus. Oh my God, also I got my nails done for Coachella this morning. I know. I am like genuinely so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. So they look really cute, way more than normal, but that's the ring. I love it. I love him. Ollie, I love you. Thank you so much. You did not have to get me something so nice. I mean that with all my heart. Like, you did not have to, but I love it so much. I love it. Thank you so much. Thanks for being such an amazing friend, and your friendship is priceless to me. So that's what I got from Ollie. I love it. I'm gonna wear it every single day, and I love my jewelry. I love my silver rings, and he just knows me so well. So thank you, Ollie. I love you. Next, we'll do Rem, because I woke up the next morning, like on my birthday, and we went to go do a workout class. So it was like 7:45, and she was over, and I walked down and she has a cake and all her presents, and I was like, Remy, this is like too much. I saw orange and I was like, no, like, no, you spent way too much. It was so cute because she like watches my, oh my God, now I feel like weird because she's watching. Okay. She literally like, it was so cute because she's like, this one first. And she's like, I know you love your TikTok series. Like, so I figured you can like do these samples for TikTok because they're like samples that came with the purchase. And it's like the Hermes lipsticks and then also 2 of their perfumes. And I literally was like, oh, she knows me. So the first bag has some little samples, which I thought was so cute. This is too nice for me. I don't even know how to react. So if I seem awkward, it's because I don't know how to act. I'm that person when it's my birthday, like I low-key don't like the attention, which is very un-Aries of me because I feel like Aries would like love attention. I like attention in different ways, not when it comes to birthday stuff because like, yeah, and I feel like I'm giving off that awkward energy right now, so I'm just gonna say all that ahead of time. The next thing that she got me, bitch, I love you so much. You did not have to do any of this. We went and got massages. Like to me, that was the gift. That's why I was even more shocked. Cause I was like, no, don't get me anything else. Like that, the gift was us getting massages. It was the best massage I've had in my life, but she got me a bracelet from her. It's crazy. It's like weird. It feels so mature and grown. And I'm just like, what? It's so cute. It goes like this. It like double, oh my God, can I wear this to Coachella? I might have I wonder what fit would look good. And then here it like twists, it locks, and then you just have like a double, like, it's so weird. I literally don't have anything. I mean, I had that one highlighter blush thing that I bought, but that was like for a TikTok. It wasn't like, I truly never thought I'd ever have anything from here. And it's just so nice of you, Remy. I'm mad at you for spending way too much. You seriously are like the most giving person that I know. And I just hope you know that you could literally get me dirt for my birthday and I would still love you so much. Like, you did not have to do all this. Then I opened this bad boy and I'm like, what are you doing, Remy? Ugh. She had one more thing for me and she was like, this is the main thing. If you don't like it, exchange it, return it. But honestly, like I don't have any shoes like this and these are so classic. I truly feel like I'll give them to my daughter one day if she has the same shoe size. I hope she does. That's like my favorite thing ever was like growing up with Ashley and my mom like having the same shoe size. They're just these like classic loafers and it matches the bracelet. It's with the signature like locking clasp. See, I don't even know. I don't even know. I am gagged. They're too nice. I don't even want to wear them. But I also feel like they'd be so like they're just like perfect and I feel like I'll have them forever. And I can literally see her and I in our 70s or our 80s going to the casino and I would still be rocking these. You know what I mean? Like I can just see me wearing these my whole life. They're so like mature. Thank you so much. I'm still mad at you for getting too much, but I love you so much. And seriously, it means the world. You seriously are like one of the most giving people in the entire world. I don't deserve you. That's all. I love you so much. I love them, thank you. My dad got me this ring, which low-key is so perfect. Like it looks so good next to the Dior one. It's just this simple silver band with rhinestones on it. And I actually stacked it over this ring here and I thought it looked so good together and I love it. Like I love it so much. So thank you so much, Dad. I'm obsessed. We all know I love my rings. And then my mom, oh, I'm not wearing it. Hold on. My mom got me this necklace and it's kind of hard to see. I'll try to do a little overlay of it, but like it has this small little diamond in the middle and it is so pretty. It looks like it's just glittering and glistening 24/7 and I'm like, it's so pretty. And I feel like I have a lot of trendy jewelry, but even when it's like, you know, like a date night or like a fancy event or something, there's nothing better than just like a classic, very elegant, pretty necklace like this. So I'm very excited to wear her for special occasions. I mean, I would wear her daily, but I feel like keeping it for special occasions. So thank you so much, Mom. I love it. I love you so much. So thank you. Okay, next I'm gonna do Ashley, and in my vlog, I like laughed so much when I opened this. The reason why is because Ashley, ever since I got my cartilage pierced, this is like a fun random fact, I still have the same hoop that they did when they did my piercing, and it has the like ball thing at the end. My piercing girlies are gonna know, and Ashley's always hated it. She's like, it looks so like ugly, like you should change it out. And I'm like, it's not that I don't want to change it out, I'm just lazy and I never see it, so it's not like it bothers me, but obviously it bothers Ashley, so she got me a new earring. And this, I think I got this done in like 2018. Like literally I've had it, I've never changed it ever, and she's always begging me. She's like, just change it, like it's so ugly. And I'm like, sorry. So she got me a new earring. She did say it was a little too small, so she's gonna exchange it, but that's why I was laughing in my vlog, because I was like, oh my god, like yes, thank you, because I do think it needs changed. You know, the ball at the end's just kind of like It's really like punk vibes, you know, which is fine. But yeah, and then she got me this bag. This is by Far. And one, I don't have a brown purse like this. I'm just like, I'm obsessed with it. Oh my God, it actually looks really cute with the fit I'm wearing. I'm sorry, like, okay, brown tones, neutral tones. This looks like a melted Hershey's chocolate bar. I'm obsessed. Just a little magnet. Ashley, I'm literally obsessed with it. Thank you so much. Like seriously, I love it. Not exaggerating, like seriously obsessed with it. Borrow her anytime. So excited for that. Oh, my parents also got me this massager, which it is heated. It's for your feet or your back. Honestly, like while I'm editing, I can't wait just to make myself a little cocoon on the couch and have my lap desk with me and have my massager, pinpoint massage heated multi-area design, multiple ways to use massage. Ergonomically angled to target muscles in lower back. Thanks, Mom. And Dad, but I know Mom bought this. But thanks, Mom and Dad. Okay, the last thing is also from my parents. Let me move all this. It actually just got delivered, so I haven't opened it yet. They did tell me what it is though. They like showed me a photo of what it was, and I'm really excited because it's just adult things. I've seen so many TikToks and stuff lately that saying like air fryers aren't as healthy for you as you think, and all these things, and it's so hard to keep up with all that stuff. I'm like, okay, is an egg good for you or is an egg bad for you? Like they change their decisions all the time, but allegedly this is a healthier air fryer. Also that's see-through, so you can like see your food cooking, which I think is so sick. Also, I don't know if you knew this, but this wrapping, like on Amazon, if you wrap it as a gift, it literally comes delivered like an actual gift, which is so freaking cool. Okay, it's by, is this Frigidaire? Fritaire. But it's all like glass, so you can actually see through, and it's also supposedly self-cleaning, which we all know I hate cleaning. Fritaire, the self-cleaning BPA-free glass bowl air fryer that finally lets you see the cooking magic happening inside. I'm actually stoked for this. Again, you know you're an adult when like the kitchen utensils, kitchen appliances, massagers are like what makes you excited. So thank you so much, Mom and Dad. I am excited to try this out. I'll probably try it out tonight. And yeah, that is everything that I got for my birthday. Again, I said it in my birthday vlog, but seriously, thank you guys. So, oh my God, my glasses from Murph. Oh my God, I almost forgot what Murph got me. He gave this to me yesterday and I was gonna vlog, but I hadn't started my vlog yet, so I was like, oh, I'll do it later, and I totally forgot. So, he got me these vintage Chloe glasses. How sick are these? Like, I'm so sorry. I love them. I love them so much. I also got him sunglasses for Christmas, which I gave him to yesterday. I can't believe I waited that long. Oh wait, you saw it earlier in this vlog. I love how sick these are, and I have nothing like them whatsoever, so I'm excited to add them to my sunglass collection. But yeah, that is everything that I got. Let me try to clean this up so I can pose for a little thumbnail. What's up? It's much later and I was just about to get ready for bed, and I'm trying to get better at actually ending my vlogs, but I'm gonna hop in the shower, take off my makeup, and get ready for bed. It is currently 10:41. I need to start going to bed earlier. My problem is when I actually go to bed early, then I just lay in bed and lay there wide awake. I need to like start taking magnesium or something. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. I will see you really soon with another one, and I think the Coachella prep is starting, so that'll probably be the next vlog. Okay, love you guys so much. I'll see you soon. Mwah.